Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about Cheeky. So what is Cheeky? It's basically it's night guard protection for your teeth. So Cheeky was kind enough to send us their impression kit. We're going to take you through the journey of making your impressions, and then they basically make you a custom night guard for you to sleep with. So every time I go to the dentist, they try to sell me on, well, you know, maybe you should sleep with a night guard. You grind your teeth, probably from whatever, nerves or just whatever, right? For whatever reason, they said you should get a night guard. So anyway, I contacted Cheeky and they were nice enough to send us theirs because theirs is ordered online. It's custom made for you, so they give you an impression kit, which we're going to show you today. And then basically they custom make your night guard and they send it to you. So that's how it works. So with Cheeky, you can either get one night guard made, or you can basically get a night guard sent to you every so many months, every 3 months or so. And so I'm going to do a single one and see how it works and give you guys kind of the feedback on it. They got great reviews online. And the biggest thing and the reason I reached out to Cheeky is because if you go to your dentist and have this done, they do the same sort of thing. They basically make an impression of your teeth, they send it out, and they give you a night guard. The difference is, even with insurance, and insurance covering a big portion of it, it runs up to $200, $300, $400 to have that done. So with Cheeky, it's their impression kit, and getting one impression or one night guard is $129, but they have coupons, they have 10% off deals, they have things like that. So it's much cheaper to do it. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. And frankly, if you want to get new ones made, they already have your impression. You can just literally get a replacement made. If you lose it, damage it, whatever you need, whatever you need. So we're going to take you through the journey of getcheeky.com and the Cheeky product that they have. Okay, so here's what's in the box. They give you instruction video with a QR code, so you can actually just go and get instruction videos of how to do your impressions. They have the instructions manual. Yep, gives you step-by-step instructions. Here's an extra set of putty. If one of your impressions doesn't go as planned, swap out the bad impression and use this to take a new one. So they give you a backup plan, free shipping. You send everything back in here. And then this is basically the upper and lower trays to make your impressions that you're going to send to them. So this is everything that you get in the box, and then you have these impression, I guess these are template things, right? So just like you would do at a dentist, right? They always have these little tray things in it. So they clearly label them. Here's your 2 lowers, 2 uppers, and that's it. Okay, so based on what you have in your kit, you have 2 lower trays, 2 upper trays, depending on what you're looking to do. If you only want an upper night guard, you're going to take 2 impressions of your upper, or if you want a lower, you'll take 2 impressions of your lower, depending on what you're getting. Or you could take one of your upper, one of the lower. You got to move quickly. You get a white putty and a blue putty. You have to mix them together, and then you basically got to roll it into a snake into the night guard tray. Obviously, normally you would do this in your bathroom, and before you start, they tell you to wash your hands and brush your teeth, so you got to do those things as well, which I already did. So here's what you do. Okay, so we're almost back to where it's all blue. So once you do this, you're supposed to basically form it into a snake, if you will. Put it into your tray, right? So you have the whole tray covered. So this is what you're gonna, and basically you want to make sure your whole tray is covered. You got to move quickly here, and then you're basically what you want to do is you want to put it in evenly into your mouth. And then you have to start a timer for 3 minutes and 30 seconds and leave it in. So I'm going to do that and obviously now talk through it. I don't think it worked. My teeth were too far forward. I gotta do it again.
Morning, you have to do it again.
Okay, just for you guys, and because I love having impressions made, I made a mistake, right? So it's probably why they sent this. So I'm gonna make another one. So because basically when I made my impression, I didn't push as much in the front as I should, and you have to kind of set your teeth back. Otherwise, clearly you can see from mine that you're not gonna get my front teeth in the impression. So I'm gonna do it again. Take 2. So what I'm doing the second time that I didn't do the first time is I'm pushing it way up in the front.
Nope, wrong again.
We just did the top. Okay, so I made a few mistakes and I want you to learn from my mistakes. So the first one, I didn't get my front teeth in. So you gotta pull it back a little bit because when you wanna make a full impression, you gotta make sure your front teeth are in. If your front teeth are against that front tray, you're not gonna get them in. So you have to make sure you have putty up in the front. Second mistake I made is, they say it takes 30 seconds, this starts to harden. It's quicker than 30 seconds. You gotta move super quick, right? So mixing it together, it's gotta be full blue. You're mixing white and blue. I was kind of like, all right, roll it in there, get it ready, whatever. I was trying to get it as perfect in there as a tube as I can. You really gotta move quick, because if you don't, you're gonna end up with an impression of the bottom of your teeth, that's it, and you're not gonna be able to make an impression on that. So I'm gonna move a lot quicker this time. Once I open these, I'm gonna move super quick. Once I mix them together, I'm gonna move super quick. As soon as it gets almost always blue, I'm just gonna, you know, all blue, I'm gonna throw it in. Okay, so here we go. Disgusting. Anyway. I have an impression. So that's the key. It might have taken me a few tries. I might not be the quickest at doing this, but at the end of the day, the key to this is move quickly. They need to emphasize that even more. Move quickly. So hopefully that's a good impression. It looks to be a good impression. That's what I'm going to send back. So obviously they know that, and other people have run into this problem. That's why they send you this extra set of putty, right? Because they know that people have run into this before. You need to move quickly. When they say 30 seconds, I would give yourself like less than that. Give yourself like 25 seconds or so to get it all into place. So it's got to get to the point where, just like at the dentist, it kind of shoves out through the cracks and crevices, and it gives you a full impression of your teeth. So that's it. I'm going to send this in. This better work out for me because I hate getting impressions made. Anyways, it's nicer to do it in my own home. So we'll send this in, and then we'll show you the second video of when we actually get the night guards, and we'll tell you how well they fit for us.